Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. Man, am I excited about this one. Honestly, guys, I did not think this was possible. Losing weight, building muscle, and pav bhaji are three words you will never hear in the same sentence, like ever. But today, we will make it happen.
Buddy, love the way you lie.
Get ready for some Paneer Pav Bhaji, which is not only super tasty and highly nutritious, but way lesser in fat and way lesser in calories than the ones you either make at home or get at the restaurant. If you are as excited as me, then you know the protocol. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment, oh yeah! And let's get this video started. For the ingredients, we will need 300 grams of potato, 250 grams of cauliflower, make sure it's thoroughly cleaned, 85 grams of carrot, 75 grams or half a cup of green peas, 1 large onion chopped, 1 bell pepper chopped, 2 medium tomatoes, 140 grams of low-fat paneer, 14 grams or 1 tablespoon of butter. I went with the I can't believe it's not butter as it's a lower calorie version, 1 to 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and last but not the least, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 4 teaspoons of pav bhaji masala, and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Firstly, in a pressure cooker, add the following: the potato, cauliflower, green peas, carrot, and pour about 1.5 cup of water along with some salt and cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles. Once it's cooked, remove the lid and check if the veggies are soft. If they are, then we are good, and then it's time to mash them up. After they are well mashed, set it aside and let's now make the masala. On a pan on medium flame, add the butter, and once it heats up, add the cumin seeds, onion, and green chilies. When the onions turn golden brown, let's then add the ginger garlic paste and cook it till the raw smell of the paste fades. After that, add the bell peppers and saute for a few minutes until they become soft. Then let's add the tomatoes and cook till mushy. Time to go in with the spices, guys, so let's add them in along with some salt and some water and give it a good mix. We will then add the cooked veggies into the pan and continue to mix and mash. And last but not the least, let's shred the paneer into the mix and give it a few more stirs. Top it off with some coriander leaves, and there you go. Your Paneer Pav Bhaji is all set. And with respect to the buns, guys, don't use oil or ghee. My recommendation is just heat it on a pan. Now, moving on to the calories. This recipe is to be divided into 4 servings, and each serving is about 270 calories, of which 30 grams are carbs, 10 grams are fat, and 14 grams are protein. And if you add 2 pav buns to it, this entire meal will be approximately just 630 calories, which is way lesser than the normal ones. And the macro breakdown would be 89 grams of carbs, 23 grams of fat, and 20 grams of protein. But if you want to reduce the calories further, then you can just toast plain white or brown bread. And if you have 2 slices of bread with 1 serving of the masala, then this will be approximately just 430 calories, guys, of which 63 grams are carbs, 13 grams are fat, and 18 grams are protein. With that, we come to the end of this video. Do try the recipe out, guys. I am telling you, you will not be able to tell the difference. If you do try the recipe out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And if you found this video informative, if you liked it, please do subscribe to the channel, and also do share this video with others. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.